Do you face recurring issues managing your rental units? Maintenance, documentation, disputes, and rising costs? Hinawi ERP Real Estate Module has been running your solution since 1998. Do you skip documenting unit conditions with photos and end up in maintenance disputes with tenants? Hinawi tracks every unit's condition with dated photo logs. Losing refundable deposits due to poor financial tracking? Hinawi monitors deposits from collection to refund with full accuracy. Your system can't track contracts properly? Hinawi links every contract to tenants, units, and invoices. Tenant complaints piling up from delayed maintenance? Hinawi logs, tracks, and assigns each maintenance request instantly. Maintenance not linked with your inventory? Cost of repairs going up? Hinawi connects your store items to every job for accurate cost control. Applying the wrong rent percentage? Facing legal disputes and financial compensation? Hinawi calculates rent rules precisely based on contract terms. All these details handled from one smart dashboard. Try Hinawi Real Estate Management System today.